Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Ultra Mobile review to see if it was using. So let's dive into it. Ultra Mobile is a prepaid mobile carrier that runs on T-Mobile powerful 5G network. It's well known for its affordable plan starting as low as $15 per month, free international calling to over 80 countries, and useful extras like hotspot support. If you are looking to stay connected on a budget, especially with friends and family overseas, Ultra Mobile is a very attractive option that delivers a lot of value. But it is not perfect. Some users enjoy smooth service and reliable coverage, while others complain about slow data, drop calls, and weaker performance in rural areas. Customer service is another mixed point at times, which also can be a problem, which often people criticize for long waiting time, billing issues, and difficulty resolving those problems. In my opinion, Ultra Mobile is still worth using if you want a low-cost international friendly plan with a strong urban coverage. But if you rely on flawless service or need top-notch support, you might find it a little frustrating. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.